Hello and welcome back to another macro day here at Scriptcase by Jamie. So today we will be diving in and exploring the SC-concat macro. Now this is a powerful tool for concatenating values, i.e. putting them together and creating a string. And of course this macro simplifies that process by combining multiple values into a single string for us, which is exactly what we're wanting, making it essential for database queries as well as data presentation. So let's dive into how SC-concat works and check out some examples. So what is SC-concat? The SC-concat macro is used to return string resulting from the combination of two or more values. Now it's particularly useful in SQL queries within Scriptcase, of course, because we're working in Scriptcase. In this case, if we want to format directly in the database query, then that's where the beauty of SC-concat lies, as it automatically adapts the concatenation syntax to match the database requirements. Now, yes, that makes a bit of a difference, right? So as you may notice, I have the form application open as well as a blank application because it allows us to use this within the form lookup functionality or within the lookup macro, within a blank maybe, or within an event. So we will use a blank. So how to use this? In this case, I'm going to just choose here the company ID field. And in this case, it would maybe just be company name. Okay, so I would change that, and I do not want to have it as an integer as the ID. And then I need to change the type of this field from an integer to a text value. Okay, and then with the text value down the bottom here, I can scroll down and I can use here the lookup function to display the field description. Now in this case, I can add in here a command that will then add here the field information for this form. And then here within our lookup function or the lookup settings we have available here, I can place then some code that I've prepared for a select. And here I'm using the SC_concat to concatenate my two fields, the company name and also the company VAT number. And that is then assigned here to the company ID field, which is then my field here. And just to be sure that it is identical, you want to make sure if you're using capital letters within your fields here, then you do want to have capital letters within your select to not have any errors. So I'll save that and then I will go ahead and run the application. And then just as you see here, next to the company ID for the field, I also have now the company name as well as the VAT number that is then assigned to that. We can also use SC-concat within all of the other lookup functionalities within the application. So removing that, if I come here to maybe a drop down select, so I choose here a select as a data type, and that will now change that to a select field, and I can place then again my select in here also using this lookup method, choosing my connection ideally, and in this case I will choose to use a title. And now if I go ahead and add here also the company ID companies as the first value, comma, SC-concat, and then my output. If I run that now, we will have a select drop-down menu, which is assigned to the ID and displaying here now the company name as well as the VAT number. And of course we can use that in many other functionalities and features within Scriptcase also, not to mention the blank application, or should I say within events. So within events, we would then perform an SC lookup for a data set, for instance, and here we can also use SC concat to concatenate those fields for us and apply the correct coding, of course, for those field types. Now this is of course an ideal approach when you need to display combinations of data within your applications, such as of course the drop-down menu or even within reports and when you are displaying content. So the SC macro can be used across a wide range of Scriptcase applications and events, meaning again it has a nice scope, including the blank application, calendar chart, grid, search form. It's super versatile, allowing you to also use it in events like on execute, on script init, on load, on validate, and pretty much again most of them. So you can concatenate your values wherever you need them in your Scriptcase applications. So the SC concat macro is for sure one of those indispensable tools for us developers looking to streamline their data manipulation as well as the presentation within your Scriptcase applications. So whether you're formatting data for display or preparing those complex SQL queries, SC concat offers a super simple yet powerful solution. So thank you very much for watching this macro day video on the SC concat macro. Don't forget to be sure to hit those buttons so you can tune in on the next macro and of course keep up to date on Scriptcase and more. So until the next time, and remember, it could always be worse. It's just a little flesh wound. So thanks for watching and until the next video.